making garlic butter noodles, and it's actually a different version of mee goreng, but it is absolutely delicious. So the first step to making this is to actually make the sauce. For this, I'll be needing 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of water. Alright, so first off, I'll add in the oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon, then light soy sauce, also 1 tablespoon. Pour that in. Next, the fish sauce, 1 teaspoon. Sesame oil, 1 teaspoon. White pepper, 1 teaspoon. And water, 1 tablespoon. Then you just mix it. Make sure it's all well mixed. Once that is done, now we'll look at the ingredients list to making the noodles. So I'll be using 4 tablespoons of butter, 6 pips of garlic, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. The noodles, I'm using yellow noodles, 1 whole packet, 3 dried chillies that I've chopped, 2 stalks of spring onions, cut it into 1.5 inch, and also the sauce that we just made earlier. Alright, now it's time to cook. So add in your butter into your pan. For making noodles, it's always great to use a wok to cook it. As Uncle Roger says, when you use a wok, there's more wok hay, which makes your dish absolutely delicious. So the older the wok, even better. It's well seasoned. Now you just let your butter melt. Once it's melted, you can add in your garlic. Then give it a little stir. Alright, there's a bit of balance there. Just adding it in. Continue stirring. Let the garlic cook. Now add in your dried chili. And stir it. Once you see the garlic and the chili is cooked, then you can start adding in your noodles. So slowly put it in. The noodles tend to get stuck to each other, so it's good to use a fork to just separate each noodle. And then you stir the whole thing. So I prefer using a fork to really separate each noodle so it doesn't get stuck to each other, and so it tastes better and can cook faster. The stirring honestly can take a long time. Now, once you're done with all that, add in your sauce, just pour it all over the noodles. course, stir it. And again, stirring can take quite some time. You need to really let the noodles cook. Now add in brown sugar. Then continue stirring it. Add in your spring onions. Stir it. The noodles need to be soft. So by now it's already soft, so I'm serving it out because I can't wait to eat it. And that's it. That is your dish. This is garlic butter noodles cooked at home. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.